Massive Computing Inc. is a pioneering technology company that stands out in the digital landscape by offering a truly unique and valuable service to businesses worldwide. With a strong commitment to innovation and reliability, Massive has become a trusted partner for organizations seeking advanced solutions for their data needs. At the core of their offerings is a powerful residential proxy network, which allows clients to access the internet through real residential IP addresses from around the globe. This network is specifically engineered for collecting web data on a massive scale, enabling businesses to gather accurate, up-to-date information from a wide variety of online sources. Companies use these proxies to gain valuable insights, monitor market trends, and make data-driven decisions that help them stay ahead of the competition. What truly sets Massive Computing Inc. apart is its unwavering dedication to ethical business practices and responsible data collection. The company strictly adheres to all major data protection laws, ensuring that every operation is conducted with transparency and integrity. These regulations include the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, and the California Consumer Privacy Act, known as CCPA, which are among the most comprehensive privacy laws in the world. In addition to legal compliance, Massive Computing Inc. has earned certification from Aposteme, a respected authority in software and service quality. This certification is a testament to the company's commitment to providing safe, high-quality services that clients can rely on. As a result, Massive's services are highly respected and have received numerous accolades within the industry. Co-founders and executives from other leading companies frequently praise Massive for its professionalism and expertise. They often highlight the exceptional speed and reliability of Massive's network, which is crucial for businesses that depend on real-time data. Clients also appreciate the network's ability to access even the most challenging websites, overcoming obstacles that other services cannot. In summary, Massive Computing Inc. has established itself as a true leader in the field of web data collection and proxy services. They provide essential, cutting-edge tools that empower businesses to thrive in a data-driven world. With a strong focus on ethics, compliance, and customer satisfaction, Massive Computing Inc. continues to set the standard for excellence in the industry. That's why clients across the globe trust Massive Computing Inc. for all their critical data needs, knowing they are in safe and capable hands. Residential proxies are a key part of Massive's service, forming the backbone of how the platform enables secure and reliable internet access for its users. These proxies are not just a technical feature, they are a fundamental building block for privacy and efficiency in the digital world. But what exactly are residential proxies and why are they so important for businesses and individuals alike? Simply put, residential proxies are IP addresses assigned by an internet service provider, or ISP, to real people and real devices in homes around the world. Unlike data center proxies, which are created in bulk and can be easily detected, residential proxies are much harder to identify as proxies. These proxies are directly linked to genuine devices like smartphones, tablets, and computers, being used in everyday households. This connection to real users makes them appear authentic to websites and online services. Massive leverages these proxies to access the internet in a way that mimics normal user behavior, making it possible to gather data or browse the web without raising suspicion or triggering security blocks. Each time a user makes a request through Massive, a different residential IP address is used. This constant rotation of IPs helps avoid detection and ensures that every request looks like it's coming from a unique, legitimate location. As a result, it appears to websites and online platforms as if the request is coming from a different city, state, or even country each time, making it extremely difficult to track or block. This ability to change locations is especially useful for bypassing geographical restrictions, accessing region-locked content, and testing how websites appear in different parts of the world. The use of residential proxies is essential for privacy. They provide a strong layer of anonymity online, shielding users from tracking, profiling, and unwanted surveillance. This means businesses can gather valuable data, conduct market research, and monitor competitors without ever revealing their true identity or location. It is a crucial part of ethical data collection, ensuring that companies follow best practices and comply with privacy regulations while still gaining the insights they need. In conclusion, residential proxies are a powerful tool that enable businesses to operate more securely, efficiently, and ethically in the digital landscape. They allow for safe, private, and reliable data collection, giving organizations the confidence to make informed decisions. Massive's use of these proxies ensures not only efficiency, but also a high standard of privacy and compliance for its clients. For any business looking to gather data ethically, securely, and at scale, residential proxies, especially those provided by Massive, are a smart and forward-thinking choice. Massive's network is both robust and flexible, built to handle the demands of modern businesses and data-driven organizations. Its architecture is designed to scale seamlessly, adapting to the needs of users whether they're small startups or large enterprises. At the core of this system is a back-connect rotating IP address network, which is a sophisticated method for managing internet traffic and user requests. Users connect to a single unified access point, making the process simple and efficient, regardless of where they are in the world. With every request, the outgoing IP address changes automatically, providing a new digital identity each time and making tracking nearly impossible. This dynamic system supports a vast range of global locations, allowing users to appear as if they're connecting from almost anywhere. Users can easily target specific countries for their operations, tailoring their network presence to meet unique business needs. The system even allows for granular targeting, down to individual cities or zip codes, which is ideal for localized campaigns or research. This level of precision is especially beneficial for businesses that require highly accurate and location-specific data for analytics, marketing, or compliance. Massive's network spans over 195 countries, ensuring truly global coverage and reach for any project. The network is compatible with a variety of protocols, making it versatile for different technical requirements and use cases. Supported protocols include HTTP, HTTPS, and SOCKS 5, giving users the flexibility to choose the best option for their applications. This flexibility empowers users to maintain control over their connections, adapting settings as their needs evolve. The network operates using IPv4 addresses, which are widely supported and ensure compatibility with most internet services and platforms. Every aspect of Massive's network is engineered for efficiency, from data routing to resource allocation, minimizing latency, and maximizing performance. With its wide reach and strong administrative controls, businesses can manage global operations securely and confidently. Companies can trust Massive's network for reliable, accurate data collection, which is essential for making informed decisions. The constantly rotating IP addresses not only enhance privacy but also provide a strong layer of security, protecting users from tracking and cyber threats. Ethics are at the heart of Massive's operations. The company is committed to following legal standards. They comply with GDPR and CCPA regulations. This ensures data is collected and used responsibly. Massive is also certified by Aposteme. This certification shows they meet high standards of quality and safety. Being members of AMTSO further highlights their dedication to ethical practices. Clients trust Massive because of their transparent policies. They know that their data collection is legal and ethical. This trust is vital in today's data-driven world. It sets Massive apart from competitors. In summary, Massive's commitment to ethics is unwavering. They ensure all operations are legally compliant. This focus on ethics builds trust with clients. It makes Massive a leader in ethical data collection. Massive offers several impressive features. One of the main features is a high success rate. They boast a rate of over 99.8%. This ensures users get the data they need efficiently. Speed is another crucial feature. Massive's response time is fast. On average, it is less than 0.6 seconds. This speed is essential for businesses that need quick data access. Uptime is also guaranteed. Massive promises 99.9% uptime. This is backed by 24/7 monitoring. It ensures the network is always available for users. In conclusion, Massive's features are designed for performance. High success rates, fast speeds, and reliable uptime are key. These features make Massive a top choice for web data collection. Massive services are used by various groups. Businesses are one of the main users. They use Massive for market research and data insights. It helps them understand consumer behavior. Research teams also benefit from Massive. They gather data for studies and analysis. The proxies provide the privacy they need for accurate research. Security experts use Massive for testing networks. The proxies help them identify vulnerabilities. Digital marketers are another group that uses Massive. They monitor search engine optimization and online reviews. This helps them optimize their marketing strategies. Overall, several groups benefit from Massive. Businesses, researchers, and marketers all find value. The services meet diverse needs for data collection. Massive is a versatile and reliable choice. Massive services have many real-world applications. One example is large language model training. This involves collecting large amounts of data. The data is used to train language models. Market research is another application. Businesses gather data to understand trends. They compare prices and predict consumer behavior. Massive's proxies make this process smooth and efficient. Search engine optimization and review monitoring are also common uses. Businesses track their search engine rankings. They monitor online reviews to protect their brand. In conclusion, Massive services have diverse applications. From large language model training to market research, the uses are endless. The proxies provide the data needed for success. Massive is a valuable tool in the digital age. Massive offers more than just proxies. They have a referral program. Users can earn rewards by referring others. It is a simple way to benefit from their service. The Massive Learning Hub is another resource. It offers insights into web data collection. Topics include alternative business models and distributed computing. It is a valuable resource for users. Massive also partners with other companies. These partnerships enhance their services. They ensure users get the best possible experience. In summary, Massive offers additional resources and programs. The referral program and Learning Hub add value. They provide extra benefits for users. Massive is committed to enhancing user experience. Massive is a smart choice for web data collection. Their services are ethical and reliable. They comply with all major data protection laws. This ensures user trust and confidence. The features offered by Massive are top-notch. High success rates and fast speeds are guaranteed. Uptime and security are also prioritized. These factors make Massive a leader in the industry. Massive services are used by diverse groups. Businesses, researchers, and marketers all benefit. The real-world applications are vast and varied. Massive meets the needs of modern data collection. In conclusion, Massive is a trustworthy choice. They offer safe and effective web data gathering. Consider Massive for your data collection needs. They provide the tools and support needed for success.